Hello guys, welcome back to algebra class. This time I will go over these questions for you so that you can understand how to do this type of question. So here, it's a product rule and question says condense it, which means put them together, like squeeze it. So what you have to do is you have to check the base first, because if you have a same base, this can happen. So if it is plus, what you're gonna do is you are gonna multiply these two numbers. So this one, you are gonna get log base 2, 2x times 3 is 6x. And that's it. For this question, obviously, so I'll just write it down here. It's a plus, right? So it's going to be 7x times x, which is log base 5 to the 7x squared. Okay? So I want you guys to complete these 3 questions by yourself. Like try this one. Okay? It's better for you to pause the video and do it and then check answer, because if you check answer right away, it's not gonna happen. What about here? Quotient rule. Now when you plus, you multiply. Now when you minus it, what you have to do is you have to divide. So it's 12x divided by 2 like that. And when you simplify it, it's gonna be 6x. Same thing here. 6x to the third power divided by 3x squared. When you do it, it's gonna be 2x. Okay? So now you guys can try this one by yourself. Like next 4 questions. This is what you get. But question number 5, let me go over this one. So here, it's divide, right? So on the top, you're gonna have 2x plus 1 divided by 3. The thing is, you cannot simplify this one further. So that's it, okay? Next one, this is what you gotta do. Okay. So here, what you have to do is you have to use the power rule. Now you can put it here on the top of this, okay? So when you do this one, you're gonna put it on top of this, and that's the power rule. And obviously there are another way that you can represent, which means you can distribute this. So you're gonna do 4 to the third power, x to the third power. And 4 to the third power, as you can see, is 64. So this is gonna be 64x to the third power. And that's it. Same thing here. You're gonna put it here. So it's gonna be log base 2, 4x to the 6th power to the 1/2. And when you distribute, it's gonna be this, 4 to the 1/2 power, x to the, when you multiply, if you have an exponent, so 6 times 1/2 is 3. And 4 to the 1/2 power, if you use decimals, if you put it, that will give you 2. It's not 4 times 2, I'm telling you. So that's how you do it. So you guys can finish this one by yourself. This one, you get log x plus 1 squared. The thing is, you cannot distribute because there's a plus sign in between. So that's it. Okay? And this one, you get this. And when you distribute and do everything, you're going to get 32x to the 5th power, because 2 to the 5th power is equal to 32. So I believe this one is easy for you at the moment. Now let's go to the opposite side. Now you're going to expand it, which means you are going to do opposite of what we did here. So what you're going to do, this one, I'll just go over simply. It's log base 2 times x, right? It's a multiply, which means if you expand it, that's what you're supposed to get, all right? And now what you have to do is, I'm just giving an example. So here you can simplify it further, but to explain that, I will go over this one. So log base 2 to the 2 if you have a same base with the same number here, that disappears, so that becomes 1. Like another example is going to be this, log base 3 to the third power, not 3. You have a same base, so this one becomes 1. The last one is going to be log base 5, but let's say you have a 5 to the 4th power, and when you get this one done, this one disappears, but you still have a 4 as an exponent, right? So that's going to be 4. So what you have to know this one? Here, same thing. This one is going to be what? Log base 5. 10 is a 2 times 5, right? Log base 5, 2, plus log base 5, 5. And as you can see, you get this one, 1 plus log base 5 and 2. Any question about this? Yep. I mean, actually, even if you have a question, like you can ask me at the moment. So yeah, I don't know why I'm saying that. Yeah, and try these questions by yourself. I believe this one should be easy. I don't think there's not many questions that you can get wrong. I mean, yeah, there's not many things that you're gonna be struggle. But this one is a bit different. So I'm pretty sure you got this one, right? But if you stopped here, that's wrong, because do you see natural log of 15? This one, you can also expand it like this, right? So that's what you gotta know. So this one I'm not gonna go over it because it's easy. Now, quotient rule. What's gonna happen when you try to divide? It's very simple, it's divide, but order matters. Top one always goes first. 3x minus 2 minus log base 5 and 7. Same here, log base 2 x minus 2 minus log base 2 and 3, right? So you guys can try these questions by yourself. I will just go over number 16. So pause the video, you do it, and then do 16 as well, and see how I do. Oh, why is it plus? It's minus. So that's what you probably got, right? But as you can see, 2x can be simplified further. So here, so I'm gonna write this one down. Minus, parenthesis, natural log of what? 2 plus natural log of x. And here's the thing, if you do not put parentheses, because of plus, this one will go to the top, right? So you gotta put parentheses for this, or at least you gotta write like this, natural log of 7x plus 1 minus natural log of 2 minus natural log of x. In that case, this 2x will go as a bottom because it's a minus minus, which means divide. Hope this one makes sense to you guys. And here's the last one. Now I'm gonna expand it again. And if you have an exponent, what do? You put it in front of this. So it's gonna be 5 times log base 2 to the 3x. And when you expand it, 3x can be expanded further, right? But it has a 5, so you have to write this one twice. Like 5 log base 2 and 3 plus 5 log base 2 and x, okay? Same thing here. 1/2 log 5 plus 1/2 log, it's base 5 and x. It's not that thing. So, but here's the thing, 5 and 5, this one disappears and becomes 1, right? But 1/2 times 1 is gonna be 1/2 plus 1/2 log base 5 x. That's what it is. And same thing here. This one is what? 3 log base 2 3x. And when you do it, it's at like 3 log base 2 and 3 plus 3 log base 2x. And I believe you guys can do this one by yourself. And that's about it. And if you have any question, just let me know. Bye guys, love you.